Hi guys, and today, hi guys, and today, hi guys, and today, hi guys, and today, stupid hiccups. Let's try to make me not have the hiccups, and then my YouTube video will be way better. My cat will make me not have the hiccups. Let's see. Let's see. Hiccup! Didn't work. My tablet. It's gonna make me feel better and not have the hiccups, and it's gonna make me still have the hiccups. I don't know what to choose. Makeup will. No, it's not nice. But my kitty is nice. But my kitty's nice. That will make me feel better. He's saying that. Hiccup. My knee will make me feel better. I love you, knee. I just have to stay with you for an hour, and then you'll help me feel better. Hiccup. Hey, saying will make me feel better. Hiccup. Nope. Doesn't make me feel better. But what should I do? My hair will make me feel better. I'll eat my hair. Much better. Hiccup, 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 hiccup. How many times do I have to hiccup? What's gonna help? Kissing my tablet? Yeah. Hiccup, 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 hiccup. A popsicle would help. No, that won't help. It's frozen. And it would make my throat frozen. Hiccup. How would I kiss my tablet thousands of times and then it will make me feel better? Hiccup, 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 hiccup. What about some water? Oh yeah, let me go get some water. Then that will make me feel better. All right, now some water would make me feel way better. Wait, I don't have the hiccups. I'm better! Those hiccups are stupid and I'm never going to get them away again. Well, I might, but whatever.